we're here at the prone leg curl. A couple of adjustments before you do lie down on this machine. First one obviously is the weight stack, which is the main stack and the micro stack. The second one here is the placement of the pad. And the placement of the pad should be so as that it goes to the top of your shoe or right on your sort of Achilles is where it should be. It shouldn't be halfway up your calf because that's the pivot point right there. And you adjust it by pulling this pin, and there's a small, medium and large position. Me being reasonably tall, about 6 foot, I'm going to put it on a large position and then put yourself in place. Now the top of your knee should hit the top of the bottom of the pad. And once you've got that in position there, you can lie down and you should find that the pad on the back sits on the top of your shoes or close to your Achilles. From there, all we do is curl it in as far close to your bum as possible and then all the way back down. You've got some little grip handles up here at the front and you probably want to hold on to that. Now make sure with your range of motion you go almost all the way down but not quite, and almost all the way up but as much as you can on this occasion. And that, once you're done, let it go all the way down, slide yourself up, give it a little wipe, and that's the prone leg curl.